Have you tried all the remedies, including clove, and it's not working for you? Well, this is rosemary leaf, and I'm going to teach you all how to use it to your own advantage in order for it to grow your hair properly and also give you that healthy long hair that you desire. It can also help you retain length and help with split ends. Guys, if you have tried all the remedies and they have not been working for you, I guarantee you that rosemary leaf is definitely going to work for you. So please stick around to the end so that you see how I make this simple hair growth treatment. It's very inexpensive. You can literally get this at the rate of 600 depending on the location you are in Nigeria or outside the country, but it's inexpensive and you can make it in the comfort of your home. Please subscribe if you are new here and also turn on notification bell. It's all love and fun here, and also share this video to your loved ones. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, because people are actually speaking well of this rosemary leaf. Let's get this show started. Welcome back once again, guys. So I already did this part of my hair for Instagram and TikTok audience, so I'm going to do the remaining part of my hair for you guys. As you guys can see, my hair was really matted and it needed my attention, and thankfully it was actually in the night that I decided to do this treatment, so that I will also be able to put my hair away for the night before going to bed. So the first thing was to divide my hair into sections. Working in sections is a very huge deal for me because it helps to minimize hair breakage, and for some of you that don't like working in sections, I will advise you to do so. So as you can see, I'm sprinkling water all over my scalp and on my hair, making sure they are all well coated so that the rosemary water can do what it's supposed to do. So while sprinkling this rosemary water on my scalp, I'm also massaging it in and making sure my hair gets the entire rosemary water on it. It's not like I made it so damp that the water is dripping, no, but it's just to make sure that the entire hair gets rosemary water on it. Okay, so as I'm running my fingers through my hair, I'm also using the opportunity to detangle bit by bit before I finally use a wide tooth comb. So make wide tooth comb your friends as well, although I'm going to create a video of all my hair care tools that I use, hoping you guys are going to like that video, because the hair care tools I use also matters a lot. So after sprinkling that water, I'm going to use the moisturizing clove leave-in conditioner. You can use the conditioner that is working for you. Please do not use the one that I'm recommending. If you feel like it's not going to work for you, use the one that your hair loves. My hair loves this BO moisturizing leave-in conditioner. It's a leave-in conditioner that is from my hair care line. You can send us a DM at on Instagram at BO hair if you want to order yours. So after rubbing it on my hair or coating it all over my hair, then I'll go ahead and use the white tooth comb, starting from the tip of my hair to the root of my hair. You can see that I did not start from the root of my hair, Abby. Please be mindful of how you detangle your hair in order to prevent hair breakage. In as much as we are providing our hair with all it needs, like herbs or products, the way we handle our hair also matters a lot. So please take note of that. So after detangling my hair, I'm going to twist it up and move to the next part of my hair, which is the back side of my hair. So I'm just repeating the same process. There's nothing new there. So here are some benefits of using rosemary water or rosemary oil on your scalp and on your hair daily or 3 to 4 times in a week. It promotes hair growth. There's a scientific research that says rosemary helps to clarify the scalp. It has antifungal properties that really helps to deep cleanse the scalp. Okay, so if you have rosemary oil or even this rosemary leaf or rosemary water, you can add a little of it into your shampoo. If you are shampooing your hair, in anything that you want to do, just have a way of adding in rosemary water or rosemary leaf to it, because it really helps. It also helps to thicken the hair. You can see how thick my hair was never this thick. It's all came about when I'm adding 1 or 2 herbs to it, including rosemary water and rosemary leaf. I would have actually shown you guys my rosemary essential hair growth oil, but I'm actually out of it for now, and I'm going to purchase another one very soon. So I'm making use of just the rosemary leaf. So please get hold of rosemary leaf or any form of rosemary products that you can add into your products, your either your leave-in conditioner or your hair growth oil, whichever way you want to use it, that it will work for you. And I promise you that your hair will grow, your hair will get thicker, your hair will get healthy. Let's focus on health, the health of our hair. The more you're focusing on the health of your hair, growth will come automatically. Okay, some of you just want long hair will come, but do you care about the health of your hair? Just focus on the health of your hair and growth comes automatically. So this was actually in the night that I was doing all this treatment. So after applying entire rosemary water and leave-in conditioner, I went on to cover my hair with a silk scarf. Guys, I always love to cover my hair before going to bed, and that is because our hair is prone to breakage. It doesn't accept cotton materials. So this is how to make the rosemary water. You'll be needing a pot, then jars. If you have a very big jar, please make use of it, but if not, you just need 2 of those small jars, and that will be enough for you. Depending on the quantity you want to make, then you'll be needing rosemary leaf, obviously, then oils of your choice. You can use essential oils, or you can use the clove oil and the horsetail oil like the one I'm using, because they promote hair growth. You are going to need a sieve to strain out the mixture. Then you're going to need a measuring cup, but if you can finish your way around the entire measurement, that's good. So I'm going to measure in 5 cups of water, depending on the quantity you want to make. Let me repeat myself again. So I measured in 5 cups of water here, then allowed it to steam up for like 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, then I opened it up and added in the rosemary leaf again. There's actually fresh rosemary and there's dry rosemary. This is the dry rosemary. Okay, so this was the one I was able to find in the market. I could not find the fresh rosemary at all. So if you see either this dry rosemary or the other one, they all do the same thing, they perform the same functions. Okay, so I'm going to allow that to be steaming up and also be stirring it. After 10 minutes, I'm going to turn down the heat at like 5 to 10 minutes, approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to stir it up again, then turn down the heat and allow it to cool down.
She's making rosemary oil to try to thicken her hair. I thought her hair was thick to begin with. Now she's applying it. There are studies showing that rosemary oil compared to minoxidil or Rogaine has been shown to regrow hair. And let's see, it works.
So this is a clear sign to add rosemary leaf or rosemary oil, rosemary water to your hair care regimen. So if you have any hair texture, different hair textures apart from mine, you can really use this rosemary water. Okay, so I let it to cool down, then poured it into the glass jar and let it to infuse for an extra 2 hours. You can leave it up to 6 hours. Anything more than 6 hours, you're actually building another concoction, you're actually making another concoction. So this is the rosemary leaf after 2 hours of leaving it to infuse properly. You can see that the color has changed. Now I'm pouring it into the strainer so that it will remove the rosemary leaf, because we don't need that on our hair, we just need the water. So after straining this, I'll go ahead to add in the horsetail oil and the clove oil. If you have tea tree oil and lavender oil, even sage oil, you can make use of those ones because they leave tingling sensation on your scalp. Okay, I don't have them with me, that's why I'm using this. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. Thank you so much for watching this video to this moment. and see you guys in my next upload. Hope you guys have enjoyed one or two things, and bye.